Battle Creek STEM program is a program that focuses on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And here at the STEM Center, they are able to give them the opportunities to really be hands-on and get in there and learn. My son enjoys it because of the fact that they don't sit at a desk all day. He said he's always up and moving and working on things, and it's never boring.
At BC STEM, we combine the love of the outdoors with the love of technology and a love of people.
My son's favorite part about the STEM Center is going on Wednesdays to the Outdoor Education Center. The entire time they're out there, they're doing hands-on stuff out in nature, having them to be able to go out there and in the wilderness and enjoy nature and still learn is an awesome thing.